Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn some English sentences used in kitchen. Let's start. Chop the onion. Mince the garlic. Cut the tomatoes in half. Let it cool down. Turn down the heat. I'm kneading the dough. I am rolling chapatis. I am baking chapatis. I am doing the dishes. Pick over the rice. Fish is not cooked yet. Vegetable is cooked. Potatoes are not cooked yet in the dish. Dishes are ready now. Put a little more salt in. Curry is too salty. It's very spicy. Remove the pan from heat. Heat up the milk. Milk has turned sour.